how you can make your first $350 to $500 net profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing using TikTok paid ads or free traffic. Now in this video I'm going to show, as you can see here on my TikTok profile, you can see over here we had over 2,900 views, right, profile views, and 236,000 video views. Now what does this tell you, right? If you're promoting any ClickBank or MaxWeb product or CPA offer, like a CPA affiliate marketing, right, where you're getting paid, for example, $100 commission for each $30 sale, okay? More about this in the next video, but with TikTok, it's huge opportunity. You're leaving a lot of money on the table if you're not taking advantage of it. Why? Just go and Google it. Don't take my word for it. Don't believe me. Don't have to believe me. Just go and Google right now how much e-commerce has went up, not only in Asian countries, but Canada, US, Australia, New Zealand, with TikTok shop or TikTok affiliate programs, right? People using TikTok as a traffic source for the audience, for the eyeballs, to promote ClickBank products. Let me show you over here, right? In the last 28 days, I had over 1.1 million video views. 1.1 million views. What? Again, look, let me show you over here. If you go to ClickBank, you see top offers, process offer, for example, it's paying out, let's say on average, $136. Now let's do the math. Let's say I had 1 million views. Do you think that I can get at least 1 or 10 sales a day? Of course, it's 1 million people, targeted audience, who's interested in this health space or manifestation space. Of course, even if 10 people buy out of 1 million views, you're making over $1,000 to $2,000 a day. Now again, I'm not saying you are going to make $1,000 a day. What I am saying is it's easy and simple once you understand the bigger picture. Okay? Once you understand who is the audience and they have the right message to the market match. Okay? Before I go into it, on ClickBank, you can connect with me later on my Instagram over here, right? So you can see this is my Instagram. You can reach out to me later if you have any kind of questions regards to ClickBank affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, in this case, TikTok ads, right? TikTok affiliate marketing. As you can see, right? All this is possible because I took affiliate marketing as a super affiliate very, very seriously, right? So as you watch this video right now, you can connect with me here later. But now let's go straight into ClickBank, okay? So as you can see, okay, we have offers here on ClickBank. You can choose to promote them. Now, how you promote them, it matters. Are you going to lose money or make money in this industry, okay? So let me show you how to do it. Let me go here, and let me show you how this is done. Okay, so the main thing, no matter where you're promoting ClickBank products, my friend, is this. Attention and intention means you have a buyer. What do I mean by that? For example, let's say that you wake up in the morning, you go to your iPhone, you check something, right? You check your Messenger, your Instagram, your TikTok, and are you there to buy? Are you ready with credit card to swipe and buy? Of course not, right? So it really matters who you are targeting, who is your target audience, what do they want, what emotional state they are in. Are they high emotional state? Meaning, do they know they have a problem, or they are unaware? They don't know they have a problem. They don't know they need help or solution for the diabetes, or they're about to have diabetes, right? Or they need to lose weight. So it really matters. Are they female? Are they males? What age they're in? Again, you don't have to learn this yourself. All this can be done for you and together with you, if you are serious, of course. So we need attention and intent, buyers clicks. Then we have a buyers, okay? Because who is the best leads? Are the best buyers and the leads with affiliate marketing are those who are already previous buyers, who are buying, I don't know, weight loss supplements, whey proteins, right? You don't have to convince them to buy more because they already are buyers, right? They know it works. Otherwise, they wouldn't be buying for years or months weight loss supplements or different vitamins, right? They are the buyer. So we need attention with intention to make money. Now, if you have attention without intention, what most gurus on ClickBank are teaching you to do, and I will show you later if you stay until the end of this video, is you're gonna get only curiosity clickers or non-buyers, right? Those are the people who click on your landing page, on ClickFunnels, on your Facebook ad or TikTok ad. They see some ugly image, something weird happening on the image, so they click because they're curious to know what is on the other side. But my friend, what happens once they're on the other side? You lose money. They clicked, they charged you, the platform charged you, or Facebook or TikTok, they charge you for the click, and yet you don't make money. Why? Again, because it's not your fault, but you did not know that you need to have pre-selling, 5 points of pre-selling on your landing page, on your blog or website. Okay? So you move person from unaware into the problem state. Okay, now they know I have a problem with my back pain, for example. I know I have a problem. Now you offer me a solution for my problem and pain. And that's, my friend, how you make money and how you make sales really easily. 3 to 5 sales a day, which is easy, $500, $600 a day extra, beside your 9 to 5, whatever job you are doing, right? Now, let me show you this. Let's say over here, we have low emotional states, high emotional states, right? So you can see over here, your offer is the bridge between point A to point B. There is the gap. There is the emotional pain. There is need that has to be fulfilled in order for them to buy. Again, I'm showing this to my students when we work together one-on-one. Now, this is the biggest mistake people are making. You see, in manifestation space on ClickBank, yes, they created some nice looking, let's say, landing page, but there is no pre-selling. There is no intent. Where, show me on this page, my friend, where here you see intent. If you're doing this, you're losing money and your time. And again, it's not your fault. Why? Because maybe you bought course from some guru on ClickBank and they showed you to do something like this. There is no pre-selling at all. There is no pain points. There is no emotional states at all. There is nothing happening over here, right? So let me ask you this. If you could do it alone, right? Wouldn't you have done it by now? You wouldn't be watching this YouTube video or after this video watching another free video on YouTube, right? If you could make money online, you would have made it already. You wouldn't be watching any videos, but you can't. Okay, and the reason you can't make money online with ClickBank is because you tried all the other things. You tried all the courses, you bought all the guru programs that promised you millions and millions, but they never gave you the secret, the sauce, the real secret sauce discovery, which is actually understanding emotional states of audience, the right copywriting, the right positioning, hooks, and of course the great proven offer that actually works. Okay, high quality offer. That's what matters in 2024. Okay, so how fast you can make $500 per day with affiliate marketing using TikTok or Google. As I showed you before, on ClickBank you have products that are paying 90% commissions per sale. So you're making, let's say, $90 per sale. In that case, you need 5 sales per day. But now, don't forget, there are also down sales and up sales. So the upsell take rate is, you can really high. You can make a lot of more money, like $200 to $500 from one sale only, from one person or one customer only on ClickBank. Okay? Now, as you watch this video, if you really want to get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing, what you can do next is you can connect with me on Facebook, Instagram. Just DM me or follow me there so I know that you want to speak to me. We have my WhatsApp number, my email, and Facebook, okay? All in the description below under this video. But do not reach out to me if you're not serious. If you don't want to take it to another level and waste your time, don't reach out to me, okay? Because let's be honest, if you really want to make it happen, you will take this very seriously. So as you watch this video right now, I know you're serious. I know you are action taker. You want to take action now as you watch this video because you know that you deserve more and that you want to take it serious and take it to another level in 2024 because you know that e-commerce is really high, right? I'm sure that your family members or friends are buying things online every single day. If not you, maybe your neighbors, okay, ordering stuff online. So you have a proof. Yes, people are buying things, products, services online in 2024, going to 2025, more than ever, okay? So if you want to take advantage of this, let me know. If you want to have someone that can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, hand-holding you to show you the proven way and the system of how to actually position the offer on landing page and move it to start generating sales, all right? Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.